Truth about becoming a TikTok affiliate. Now, in this video, you're going to see me change clothes because I had to re-record the intro. I wanted you guys to understand the power that is behind becoming a TikTok affiliate, but I also wanted you guys to know that becoming a TikTok affiliate isn't as easy as folks are saying that it is. Now, you're going to have some times where you kind of feel like, am I doing this right? Is this going to work? But then you're going to have a video that takes off and you're going to start to see sales. Okay. Because the TikTok algorithm is going to push out your videos because you have a link in your, on your video. It will push out your videos to even more people. Because I've invested a ton of time and effort only to see no results. However, things have changed for me recently when I decided to promote these particular TikTok program or products in my TikTok showcase. I'm promoting TikTok products on TikTok with links on direct videos, and I am seeing massive success. I am making money from my videos instead of not making a dime. Okay. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and walk you through the TikTok program in whole, what it is. I'm going to be helping you figure out whether you should become a TikTok affiliate or not. I know you've heard the buzz going around about TikTok affiliates and all these people that are making a ton of money. One of my colleagues, one of my collaborators, one of my partners has made $60,000 in sales on TikTok. Okay. She is killing the game literally with TikTok and becoming an affiliate. She's getting payouts to her PayPal every single day. So what exactly is the TikTok affiliate program? The TikTok affiliate program involves creating and sharing videos on their social media platform with the goal of monetizing your audience through the use of affiliate links. So with the TikTok shop, there are actual shop owners who are opening up shops on TikTok. Now, what you do as a TikTok affiliate is you actually list their links on your videos, similar to the video I have here. If you take a look at my video, you can see down at the bottom, there is this little section here where you can click on that particular link and go directly to the product. Now, once the product is open, folks can actually add it to their carts and they can shop directly on TikTok. This has been an amazing way for me to monetize because I don't have to ship the products. Some of the benefits to this is that I don't have to ship the products. I don't have to be the customer service. I don't have to do any of the back end. The only thing I need to do is find amazing products that I love, that I would actually use in my business or in my life. I got this selfie stick tripod from the TikTok shop. It has 2 lights on it. If you're interested in getting this, you can actually get it from my shop. This particular thing right here is freaking amazing because you can put your phone in here and do all the things. This is one of the products that I had gotten from the TikTok shop, this selfie stick. TikTok affiliate, you need to meet the community guidelines, have at least 5,000 followers, and be at least 18 years old. So if you don't quite have the 5,000 followers as of yet, don't worry because you can actually get to the 5,000 followers pretty quickly. I'll provide another video and I'll go ahead and link to that video right here that'll talk about how you can get to 5,000 followers very quickly on TikTok and get approved for the TikTok affiliate program. Now, to add a product to your shop, you're going to go ahead and go to TikTok Creator Tools. And then once you are inside Creator Tools, you're going to go ahead and click on underneath monetization here. You'll see, let me pull it up. Underneath monetization, you're going to click on TikTok Shop for a Creator. And then here you're going to see your product marketplace, manage showcase, and earnings. We're going to go ahead and click on manage showcase. Now in our managed showcase, we can see all of the different products. If you need help with picking products, I actually curated a full list of products that pay high commissions. You can go ahead and get that down in the description down below. You can take a look at that and access it if you want to go ahead and find out what products you should be promoting and which products have the highest commission. I add to this list and I'll be adding to this list until January 1st. After that time, I'll add probably some more videos, but definitely make sure you join us inside our Facebook group and you'll get access to that Facebook group by joining and downloading the curated list of TikTok affiliate But as you can see here, I have several different products. These are all products that I highly recommend, especially for content creators, right? So these are all products that I feel like my audience would really resonate with and that they would enjoy. I don't put any products inside of my TikTok showcase that I don't feel like my audience will actually love or that I love myself, right? Or things that I would actually purchase myself. So everything that you see inside of my TikTok showcase, back into what was great about this program is that you can request free product. TikTok sends a free product. I love TikTok affiliates because I can get free things. This is another thing I got for free, right? I put this on my ears when my husband is snoring at night. I literally do that. I put it as content because it's real. With TikTok Shop, you can go directly in here. You can find a shop that is offering free samples as an affiliate, and then you can go ahead, click on it, and get free samples. Now, if I wanted to add this to my showcase, all I have to do is click on Add to Showcase. Another way to get here is to go to your TikTok Shop of Creator Center. You're going to go ahead and go to Product Marketplace. And then inside of your Product Marketplace, you can see all these different things that you can add. All of the different products you can add to your from this program. If you are thinking about even just a little bit of becoming a TikTok affiliate, you should do it. If it aligns with your business model and if it aligns with your with your content, right? Don't force yourself into this if this is not a business model that works along with your content. If you're an educator, if you're a person that loves to create content and especially lifestyle content, then the affiliate program will probably be a great thing for you. I get questions all the time around which tripods to buy, right? Which microphones to buy, which camera lights and things to that effect. So this is perfect for someone like me, where I'm already constantly recommending products and different tools to folks on a continuous basis. If you've watched all of that, I have been a TikTok affiliate for about 2.5 weeks now, I think almost 3 weeks at this point. And one of the things that I've realized is that you will have up and down days, right? You'll have some days where you do really well and you'll see several sales come in. I was doing this during Christmas time, so sales were coming in like crazy because people were buying gifts. Now I'm starting to see a downtick as folks aren't buying as many gifts as they were before. So now it's going to be really important to really hone in on those products that are absolutely selling like hotcakes, right? There's just a lot of demand for that particular product. Inside of Product Marketplace, I'll show you guys my phone. Inside of Product Marketplace, you can scroll down. You can actually see the product, how much it costs. So this one you will earn $150 and it's $14. What you want to take a look at is how many sales it's gotten. Okay. So when we go here, you'll see there's 732 that have been sold on this particular product, right? So that's an okay product. That is a product that is okay. Now, the fact that it's only $1 for each sale is a little bit, that has me hesitating a little bit. I like to earn at least $6 on each product. So the big calendar, I get about $9. A purse that I have coming in the mail that I'll receive really soon, I get about $9 for that one. And then there are other products that you can earn up to $300 per product. So when I give you my honest opinion, do I believe that this is something lucrative and something that you should try to so that you can make money with online with your video content and make money on TikTok? Yes, yes, and yes. Let me say it again. Yes, yes. Look for products that are like calendars. Like I have the big ASS calendar, right? And that calendar is amazing. I'm waiting for mine to come in the mail because you can then sit down, especially as a content creator like myself, I can sit down and I can map out all of my content for the year. Any speaking events I want to do, any companies that I want to work along with, I'm going to use this big calendar to do that. You definitely want to hop into this, okay? That is my honest, truthful opinion. This is the truth about becoming a TikTok creator. You're going to have ups and downs. You will, but you'll have that in any type of affiliate program. So once again, if you need a product list to know what products you should be promoting and putting into your showcase on TikTok, then you can go ahead and grab that curated list that I put together with high paying affiliate commissions. And you can go ahead and grab that list. It's in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. I'm at Joss Speaks Digital on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching watching this video to the end. If you stayed until the end, let me know, are you going to become a TikTok seller? And what questions do you have about becoming a TikTok affiliate? Go ahead and leave those comments down in the comment section, and I'll make another video responding to them. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.